Good. Low pick. Low pick muna tayo. Low pick. Good. Okay. Low pick muna. Hips. Okay, very good. Low pick. Yes. Oh. Low. Low pick. Yes. Oh, high pick tayo. High pick. High pick. Hesi. Up. Post. Go. High pick. Good. Next. High pick. Good. High pick tayo. High pick. High pick. Double ano tayo? Double. Yan. Okay. Good. Yan. Double ka na. Double shoulder. Shoulder fake mo. Yung shoulder fake mo, gamitin mo ah. Sige. Shoulder fake. Shoulder fake. 1, 2. Explosive. Good. Ulit. 1. Okay. Very good. Ano mo ba? Yung shoulder nyo. Yung shoulder nyo. Shoulder fake nyo. Good. Good. Yes. Good. Good. Hey, saba, saba. Shoulder. Good. Shoulder fake mo. Good. Okay, saba, saba. Shoulder fake. 1, 2. Ulit. 1, 1, 2, 3. Go. Good. 1, 2, 3. Mali. Saan ka pupunta? Dito ka. Dito. Dito muna. Sa kabila. Tapos na tayo sa kabila. Sa left naman. Good. Good. Ulit. 1, 2, dribble lang yan. 1, 2, dribble yan. 1, 2, go. Ganon. Oh, third attack tayo. Third attack. Cross, 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 balik. Good. Cross, 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 balik. Okay. Third attack tayo. Third attack. Lagyan nyo ng shoulder fake ah. Float, float, cross. Good. Good. Lagyan mo pa na no? Lagyan nyo pa ng shoulder fake tsaka yung offhand nyo. Okay, balik. Oh, third move tayo. 1, 2, 3, balik. Good. 1, 2, 3, good. Ulit. Bilis. 1, 2, 3, balik. Good. Okay. Attack. Good. Float kayo. Rest. Rest. Go. Good. Rest mo muna. Rest. Rest. Explosive. Ganon. Oh. Lilo. Lilo. Attack. Ganon. Okay. Ulit. Rest. Change space. Change space agad. Good. Ganon. Lilo ulit. Third attack. 1, 2, 3. Balik. Good. Okay. Sige. Okay. Sige. Sige. Kaya lang. Sige. Ulitin. Ulitin. Third attack. Tama yan. Third attack. Sige. Josh. Josh. Bilis. Good. Sige. Good. Bilisan, bilisan, bilisan. Go, 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 go. Lagyan mo ng power dribble. 1, 2, Kylo. Diyan, diyan. Yun. Oh, yun. Ang sinasabi ko. Lalakas ang persa dito pag lagyan mo ng power dribble dito. Tingnan mo, ulitin mo. Oh, ganun. Ulit. Good. Yan, lagyan mo ng power dribble. Nawatam.